Let's take a look at some of these accounts that are going to be related to operations, operation processes. Those are going to be your payables, your deferred revenue, your receivables, and your prepaids. And we have an example of each one of these in our little equation here. So you can probably figure out that payables, we're looking at for this little equation we've got here, we're looking at the change in AP. For deferred revenue, you've probably realized we're looking at the change in DR. For receivables, you are likely correctly assuming that we have a change in accounts receivable. This one might blow your mind a little bit. For prepaids, it doesn't say prepaid. Prepaid insurance, prepaid rent. Inventory is a prepaid. We recognize we book the cost on our balance sheet just like we would if we paid prepaid insurance. And unlike prepaid insurance that is based on the progression of time in the use of the cost, we use this cost when we sell inventory. But inventory is a prepaid account. Always, always, always. Prepaid inventory is a prepaid. That's a little different. Now, each of these, and these are the only 4 types of operating accounts you can have. It's either going to be a payable, it's going to be deferred revenue, it's going to be a receivable, it's going to be a prepaid. And the way to think about this is we're going to look at each one of these and think about, well, what happens when payables goes up? What happens when payables goes down? And same thing with deferred revenue, receivables, and prepaids. And see how that affects the cash flow statement.